Scotty, are you trying the parking brake? That's better than we were. Pull it out and turn it to lock it. Pull it out to lock it. Okay, you might need to adjust it a little more. But it's definitely pulling. So you need to adjust it a little bit till it clicks. So you have it too tight. But I hear them pulling.
Oh, dude, that is so much
Better?
So much nicer, yeah.
All right, so we need to go back up and just do a little adjustment underneath real fast. But you're there.
Yeah, or I'll just lay the towel down and I can reach underneath it and get it myself.
Well, whatever you feel like doing. So we'll do that. We'll get it to go like 3 clicks.
Yeah.
And then we will try to push it, and that will demonstrate it.
Yep.
Nice.
So
but
let
I
me
can
get that
hear
real
it
quick. Oh, yeah. You couldn't even hear that last time.
because it wouldn't do anything.
Right?
All right. So I told Joey he can probably come in the morning first thing.
Yes.
And then we'll have Grant come in the morning first thing. Everybody's coming in the morning first thing.
There's a powder in your mouth, Annette.
Oops. All right, Scotty, hit it.
Nope.
It won't lock?
Nope. Spin the nut in the center.
That's what she... Yeah, exactly. I can't.
I didn't make it that tight.
No, but it's bound on the plate.
Okay, try that.
Okay. Nope. Okay, getting it with a finger. This piece definitely goes the other direction. The piece the cables are in. You know what I mean, Scotty?
Okay. Well, that
So-
still wouldn't stop it from...
No, but it should... You know what? Let's unhook this and have you pull it and see if it locks. Is that a good idea?
Sure, that'll work.
Okay, give me
Scotty,
1 second. Pull it. See if you can get it to lock. Does it stay? I hear it. Okay, what are you doing?
Okay,
Are you
pull on the cable.
what
The forward
cable?
one. Just pull on it.
Like towards
Towards the back of the car.
towards the back of the car?
Yep, lock's broken.
Great. All right. Well, that's fun. So we get to deal with that too. Fun, fun, fun.
I'll have to take a look at it. I've never disassembled one. I don't know. I don't. I've never disassembled one.
I've
like
done
that.
them a while before. It's just a tab. It's
So I'm
probably,
thinking that at some point, because a lot of this car is still very original.
it's never been fully
It's
handled.
probably never been touched. So it's going to be crawl inside the dash to see exactly what's not working.
Yay.
Yeah, because I mean that was in lock position.
I know.
You
I
should
saw.
have not been able
and
to.
I pulled it back and it went right back.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this kind of back together
Yep.
and talk to Joey.